This is Governor O'Malley. He's making a documentary called Baltimore Rewired, The Money Behind the Machine. Governor O'Malley was on The Wire. I was on the House of Cards. This is Maryland's House of Cards, a true story, all about the money behind the machine and the Democratic Party in Maryland. Right here, that's Governor O'Malley. That's Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, Baltimore County Detention Center. That's David Smith, 2007. I gave this book to David Smith in 2007. All right? I gave him a book like this in 2007. Fox 45 been shielding this. Fox 45 does crime and justice. Well, Fox 45 get a lot of money off the prison industry. They're invested in the prison industry. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made our black community the cash crop. That's Fox 45. Court scheduling. All right? They charged me with terrorism on the 8th of October. All right? You see that? That's a summons issued. All right? Service information. All right? Governor Hogan had me charged with terrorism in 2011. David Smith had me charged with terrorism in 2008. I've been charged with terrorism 4 times in 2 different states for making a documentary about the war on drugs. That's me on the House of Cards. All right? That's Ed Mutilation from the Baltimore Ravens, and the Baltimore Ravens, Ozzie Newsome. All right? That's 2015. Director of Arts and Promotions in Baltimore, New York, Philadelphia, and Chicago. All right? Tells you I was making this documentary. And Mayor Brandon Scott is the star of the show. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Mayor Brandon Scott, Governor O'Malley. That's a legal notice. Baltimore City and Baltimore County. It's a learning moment. Talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. All right? That's Governor Westmore. Yeah, face to face. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, we're going to make sure that the world gets to see this. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Governor Westmore. And that's Jared Jimenez from the Board of Elections. Ex-felons got a right to vote. Black votes matter. Black bodies don't. Black money matter. So in 2024, they can't vote, but I can. That's Shorties. That's Governor O'Malley. And that's a Hollywood production, because I'm taking this to Hollywood. It's the learning tree. And you're going to learn something today. That's Governor Schaefer. That's Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Y'all repeal Roe versus Wade. Well, we're going to repeal Dred Scott. That's Governor Larry Hogan. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Hogan. And you my main witness, because you got the book. Senator Antonio Hayes has this book. Champion for Justice. He got that book. Andy Ellis got this book. So does Governor Westmore. So does the FBI. We're going to play these tapes like Watergate. Jack FM got this. Ask Jack. We're going to cut up some meat. So Governor O'Malley, I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. You feel me? So Governor O'Malley, right here, in regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That's 2007. My store on Falls Road. These are the supporters of Shorties. And Baltimore City Hall has this, all right? These are the supporters of Shorties. Pages of supporters. All right? Pages of supporters. And we talking about your prison industry. Mass incarceration. We the people of the United States. All right? And that's Mr. Fields. Mr. Fields. See the date? 2012. Right here. People of the state of Illinois versus Dwayne G. Davis. This is about the war on drugs. See the case? That's the files. I was innocent of all charges. That's me. That's Governor O'Malley. All right? That's Governor O'Malley. Shorty documentary. Maryland's prison industry. All right, Governor O'Malley and Brown's money machine. That's the District Court of Maryland. All right, plaintiff Dwayne Davis, Baltimore County, because y'all illegally incarcerated me. So I filed a $250 million lawsuit against y'all. And this is who it was: Jake Davis, Patricia Cook, James Hammond, Karen Parks from Fox 45, Paul Weinblatt, Scott Shellenberger, the Comptroller, Governor Martin O'Malley, Adam May, Kai Jackson, Sheriff Fisher, Judge Turnbull, Judge Duvall, Malcolm Ruff, Frank Conway, Pollard Towing. All right. Special Agent Richard McFeely from the FBI, Barry Sims, Senator Ben Cardin, Shelton DeWintes. All right. Mary Pat Clark, Jack Young, Bill Henry, Mark Hardy, Carl Stokes, Senator Broshin, Senator Kathleen Pugh, Judge Pierce and Judge Bell, Senator Nathaniel Oates, Barbara Mikulski, Eric Holder, Dutch Rupersberger. All right. Baltimore Sun, Timothy Ryan, President of the NAACP, Benjamin Jellis, Wendell Sutton, Christian Schaefer, Richard Scher, Robert Lang, Charles Gibson, World News Tonight, Judge Boris, Dwayne G. Davis Jr., Waukegan Public Defender Bob, Mr. Bailey, Governor Ehrlich, and President Obama. All right. And it was a case against you. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Baltimore County Chief Johnson. That's City States Attorney Greg Bernstein and Scott Shellenberger. And I got them all on film. Just like the House of Cards. I got you all on film. That's Maryland's prison industry. Those are the criminal charges. That's Governor Westmore. That's Governor Westmore. Y'all seen me chase Governor Westmore at the debate the other night. Well, Governor Westmore got evidence and knowledge. You got to turn over all this information before Election Day. Governor Westmore, Governor O'Malley. And see who that is? That's the Board of Elections. Ex-felons got a right to vote. We talking about voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. Veterans Day has come up. I'm a veteran. Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. And that's the FBI. We're going to play the tapes like Watergate. Dwayne G. Davis. Prisoner's right advocate. See the big picture here? To be the best, you got to beat the best. And you ain't beat me yet.